Happy Friday. Let's take a look at the calendar. I just gave away what day it is. What day of the week is today? Friday. Let's count over, or let's say our words over till we get to Friday and see if that's where the card is that needs turned over. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and that is where my card needs turned over. What's the last day of the week? Always starts with an S. S-A-T. Saturday. Now we're going to count all the way down here and see what number comes next. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow, we're halfway through October. Do you remember how many days I told you we're in October? Way down here, what's this last day going to be? Do you recognize this number? It's a 3 and a 1. 31. There are 31 days in this month of October. All right. So we can say the date now because we know what day of the week it is, we know what number the date is, and we know what month it is. So you repeat after me. Today is Friday, October 16, 2020. Right. Let's look at some number sentences today. Equations or number sentences. You can say it either way. And I think I did 4 with you this week. Let's see if we can do number 5 this week. So I'm going to start with 5. And I'm going to add nothing to it. If I have 5 suckers and I don't get any more suckers, I still have 5. But if I have 5 suckers and I get 1 more, 5 and 1 more, now watch. This is where I told you that it doesn't matter how many times you count your hand, there's 5 fingers there every single time you count it, all right? So you don't need to count it every single time. You can just say 5, 6, just count on. I'm already seeing that there might be a pattern here at the end because I'm going up 1 every time. So I did 5 plus 1, now I'm going to do 5 plus 2. Finish my pattern. So I got 5 and 2 more. And I'm just going to put all these fingers down and say 5 because I know there are 5 there. 5, 6, 7. Now look. 5, 6, 7. If I do 5 plus 3, what do you think the answer will be? 5, 6, 7. What's 1 more? Because that's what I did, was added 1 more to 5 than I did last time. I would expect the answer to be 8, but let's check and make sure. Okay? So 5 and 3 more. Now, do it with me. We're going to just close these and say 5 and count on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we were right. It was 8. We could predict the pattern. 5, 6, 7, 8. So if the answer is 9, this is going to be 5 plus what? Now look, there's a pattern here too. Look, I started with 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. What comes here? What's this equation going to be? If this is 0, 1, 2, 3, it's going to be 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Let's check it. Put up 5 and 4 more. Put them up. We're going to close this hand and say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you expect this next answer to be? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I would expect it to be 10, and I bet you know what 5 equation equals 10. 5 plus what is 10? 5 plus, let's see. Here's 5, here's 5. Both hands, yeah? 5 plus 5 is how many? If you have both your hands, and trust me, you don't need to count. Both hands is 10. So 5 plus 5. All right. You see the pattern there? I started with 5s. I added one more each time, and that changed my answer by one more each time. All right? Practice that counting on. Okay, that's a really important skill to have, because if I'm doing big numbers, like if the answer is 9, when I count it this way, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just took me a couple seconds. But if I count it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it takes a lot longer, okay? And there's more chance for you to miscount. But if you just say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, much easier, much faster, probably will get it right the first time. All right, so our letters this week are B, L, and B. Okay, the B and V are tough, okay? B, you put your mouth together like this, B, okay? V, you put your lip under your teeth, B. But they sound kind of the same sometimes. B, B, okay? But your mouth is two different ways. For B, your lips are together. For V, your bottom lip's under your teeth, all right? So let's see what starts with B, that B sound. Can you think of some words that start with B? Okay. Well, up here on my card, it has a book and a B. Okay. Balloon starts with B. Ball starts with B. Let's look at L. L makes that oh. You put your tongue up on your teeth. Oh. There's a leaf and a lamp here. What else starts with L? Oh, life. Love. Okay. Let's look at B. Now that's where you're going to put your bottom lip under your front teeth. B. I see a bass and a violin. Okay. Victory starts with V. All right. I have 2 new sight words, your sight words this week. Each one of them has 4 letters, like and come, and it takes 4 letters to spell each one of them. Okay. I know that sounds like a lot, but we can do it. So come has 4 letters. It's C-O-M-E. It takes all 4 of those letters to make that one word. And like also has 4 letters, and it's L-I-K-E. It takes 4 letters. So we want to use these 2 in a sentence today. We want to use our good writing rules that we know when we write a sentence. We start with the first word has to have what at the beginning? A capital letter. Yes. So my sentence today is going to be, would you like to come with me? All right. Oh, how many? 5, 6, 7 words to make my sentence or finish my whole thought. All right. First word was would, and that starts with a W, and I'm going to make it capital because it's the beginning of my sentence. Would. I'm going to leave a 2-finger space before I write you. And then I'm going to leave another 2-finger space, and then I'm going to use one of my sight words. Would you like? Now, like starts with that our letter for the week L. Ooh, like? L, and I hear long I. I. Would you like, two finger space, to is our next word. We've already had that sight word, it's T-O. Would you like to, what's the next word? Remember? Come, it's our other sight word, okay? Come. I'm going to leave a two finger space, and I'm going to write with, okay? What do you think with starts with? The W. Okay. Now I'm going to count and see where I'm at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need one more word. Would you like to come with me? And we've had that sight word already. Do you remember how to spell me? M-E. I hear M at the beginning, E at the end. Right? Would you like to come with me? Now, I ask a question. Who remembers what we put at the end whenever we ask a question? We can't put a period because that's for just when you say something. When you ask someone a question, we have to let whoever's reading that know that it's a question. Do you remember what the name of that mark is? Question mark. And it goes like this. You loop around, it goes straight down, and then you put your dot there. Loop around, straight down, put a dot there. That's a question mark. That lets whoever's reading this know I'm asking a question. All right? So practice those sight words. Write your sentences. Have a great weekend.